Awesome God, mighty God, awesome God, mighty God.
Come on, Nana.
Hey, never. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm going to work. I am on afternoon shift. I have to go now.
You're on afternoon shift. You and this your afternoon shift. I can see you like it. I want that if you enjoy, baby. Anyway, go well, my sister. And Pico, when coming back, don't forget to buy me that granite you buy me that evening.
Granite, I will. I'll buy it. Bye, ma.
Have a great day. Ibuchimu, Ibuchanya Agada wajiluzo moko bioma Olilanya nkendinsa Aruyele roku maruyele Ibuchanya njafuzo Ne. Where have you been? I've been worried sick about you. I mean, what is going on? These days you just go out and stay out so long. Ogini?
I'm sorry, Mama. I went to my friend's birthday party.
Just like this. I hope you tied a wrapper at the party.
Yes, Mama. I left the wrapper at my friend's house.
Next time, don't leave it behind. Tie it and come home. Do you know how many men would have been looking at you like this?
They didn't look at me.
How would you know? Were you looking at them? If I'm not allowed to see you, go inside. I will sew clothes on this thing for you.
Mama, you want to sew maybe Amaka for me?
Is it not better? These days, they want to go about naked. Okay, a man can't even drive his car or walk on the road without feeling tempted. Can run, can't cook yet, we eat more than everybody.
Hey, food is ready.
Pull the check, please. Hey! This is your size.
Okay, you did give me small food. Mama, this food is very small now.
Oh, Chiano. As if you know how to cook. You should thank God that you have food to eat. Firewood is very expensive now. People I'm coming. And then you get your own food as you're coming.
You will cry before it's game over.
Welcome to your Bango Second Carry. Area Jigara and Area Want me to choose the name? I think you should.
Hi, good afternoon.
Just go inside. I'm coming.
Bye, Joma. Oh, the idiot is a bit of one. It's only two now. It's two zero again.
Let's go back to the game.
In my hand. Bye, Niaji. Boy, man, yake.
Nene! 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 Yeah? Where is Nene? Nene! I don't know. Was I gone out? But she should have told us before going out. Anyway, have you packed out the dirty plates for washing? Oh, you're not going to wash up the plates? You're waiting for me to wash the plates.
Mama, it's the next job now. It's not my...
What do you mean it's the next job? Will you go and pack those plates before I descend on you? I want that was saying.
Mama.
Chimo, did you just put your ears from me? I'm not here. It's not cool. Now that change. Say me that was here change. Oh, you go change.
What if a creature that is stronger than you comes after me?
I will fight!
Do you like this food?
Wait, hold on, hold it! The clock is like a one of Pharaoh's kingdom. Satisfy a starved Megan going about looking for who to satisfy her eyes.
Stop from my side.
Looking for who to... So it was you who took away the life of my innocent wife. You!
It's my life and I am living it. It's my world, I am loving it, loving it. Baby, if you show me true love, now you go win my heart. It's my life and I am living it. It's my world, I am loving it, loving it. Baby, if you show me true love, now you go win my heart. When I wake up in the morning, all I get to do is pray. For Baba God to send me someone so beautiful. When go come into my life. Every day and night you say you love me. I just want you to show it. Let me see the beauty inside and outside. If you want.
Look at the tower. Yeah? Nene, where are you coming from? Are you deaf? It's not somebody I'm talking to you.
I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend? What kind of friend? A ghost? More command? You didn't even bother since afternoon to tell us where you've been.
Mama, a friend is a friend. I only went to watch a TV program, that's all.
You went to watch a TV program? Since afternoon till now. Let me just warn you. If this happens again, Nene, if this happens again, you will not like what I'll do to you. Sorry for yourself.
Your mama says she doesn't want me. Your mama says she doesn't like me. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Baby, I'm the best that you can see. Your mama says she doesn't want me. mama says she doesn't want me. Your mama says she doesn't like me. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Baby, I'm the best that you can see.
Baby, I'm the best that I can be. Better than the rest you will ever see. Nothing else comes between us two. I'll do anything that you want me to do. Take you under the moonlight, holding you to the sunlight. Come on baby, make you hold tight. Against anyone we will fight.
Your mama says she doesn't want me. Your mama says she doesn't like me. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Baby, I'm the best that you can see.
Baby, I'm the best that I can be. Better than the rest you will ever see. Nothing else comes between us two. I'll do anything that you want me to do. Take you under the moonlight, holding you to the sunlight. Come on baby, make you hold tight. Against anyone we...
Nene. 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 Are you okay? I've been watching you talk to yourself since. Is everything alright?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Oh.
Guy, did anybody come look for me?
Why this every time when they talk about that they do the phone? No say for the phone, then they go help.
If I sleep now, she come up, she no come.
You see say this bread, I dey chop am pure water. If you want to know whether person find you come, just buy me coke.
What buy you coke?
Just coke.
You pack me one side.
You don't value the coke.
Do your water business.
If na girl now you go buy him pop, buy his shield. For your guy now you no go buy coke. God, you dey look us o, you dey look us.
No, I'm back. Welcome. I hope you didn't forget to buy the salt. No, I bought everything. Oh, please, cook this thing fast. I'm really hungry. I am not ready to touch that machine without eating. Eh? People, thank you.
Obianuju! Obianuju! Yes? Can I answer your name again?
I'm hungry. Carry this tray of food. Nene, don't forget, there's no water in the house. Nene? 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 Obianuju? Obianuju? Where's your sister? Left them in the room and now where's your sister?
I don't know. She was in the kitchen a while ago. She said I should take in the food.
So this girl has gone out again. She's making it a habit. So what? She will come back and meet me in this house.
Let me see. Where are you going?
Okay.
I told you not to try me.
Okay, I have something to do. Hold on. Oh, you're peeping.
It's a game of guard your game every time. It's like boxing. Don't guide your game up. Not be that well.
Let me change the game.
Babe, don't do it.
I'll walk you, don't worry, I'll pack it. I'll walk with you.
Nene, so you're convinced that he's truly in love with you?
Yes, very sure. And I love him too.
So, tell me, how did you know?
The look on his face anytime he looks at me.
Really? Okay. But I'll advise you as a friend. Men will use you and dump you. So I think you should be very careful while giving out your heart.
Thank you. He said he has a surprise for me. And when he said that was when I knew he belongs to me.
I don't tell you this thing before, and I will still tell you again. I don't tell you to make you carry this your music, enter one studio, JJ, arrange and wear. Piam, carry enter Alaba. Piam, you don't blow. They will come, they call you for checking up about versus Palamide. Piam, now when they book you, checking up Bongo versus Fino. You don't blow. They will show my bodyguard. I will pick your manager.
Shakina Bongo. Now do when they tell you.
Bongo. You know, so we be brothers. We not be brothers. We are friends.
Friends are brothers now, the same thing now.
I beg, separate them, pour from brothers.
See, what you need to do not to make them tight. Once you make them tight, straight. You make too much money now. Now so, you know, take start now. If you don't let me do, if you don't let me do, but that time, why?
Oh no, but come on.
What are you doing here?
Came to buy anything on trade and I saw you here.
Your sister.
As Dr. Wash that cleans all diseases in the system, I want to tell you now,
that you really need my products. Let me show you. You see this one? This very one is capable of washing away all the diseases in your system. This thing is going to clean it away. Don't bother yourself again. You are going to be free from all those problems. This one is capable of washing away your entire intestine from your body. Your body will be there and your intestine will be there.
Did you say my intestine?
Yes, your intestine. Area 4 jaw. I mean area 4 jaw. If you wash it. No, you need it. Area 4 jaw can you need it. Doctor, wash away all the diseases in your intestine. Help area 4 jaw. Doctor, wash
What your own food? It's in the kitchen. Okay. Obianuju! Mama! Good day, Mumili. Get me water.
Okay, Mama.
Bring this thing closer.
I'm coming.
Okay. So.
Market back. We just came back from the market and I can see your dog cooking. Hope mine inside. Yes, it's inside. Oh. Where are you? Do you want me to? I'm going to Mama Oki's shop to pick up what I forgot in her shop on my way back from the market. Are you satisfied now?
Your mama says she doesn't want me. Your mama says she doesn't like me. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Baby, I'm the best that you can see. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Your mama says she doesn't like me. Your mama says she doesn't want me. Baby, I'm the best that you can see.
Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Babe, you're here?
Yes.
What type of question is that? She's always here now. I bet we get one room here, I will give you one room that you can stay here.
Babe, it's not too late to be here.
No, it's not late. I came to watch the evenings.
As if you're not happy she's here. Oh boy, go rock your word, I beg.
Guys, that just a good finish.
Now you be careful for your life. This guy. Just pay for you see now. You don't abandon me. No wahala. How I could make man they make money. If I hold money now, you going to follow me. Nonsense.
Tell me. I have been calling you since and you refused to answer. And what about your sister, Nene? Where is she?
Mama, I don't know. When I asked her, she said she forgot something and she wants to go and collect it.
Collect what? How do you know? Mama, that. Hey, no, Ken. That hunger is touching everybody. I go na chibu mad nobody. Eh, Kekime. I'm fine. My daughter, but it's not possible. She gave me food here about 30 minutes ago. Bono. Ike. Who is this Ike? She entered his flat. Hey, you know what? Just send me the Ike's address, the street number and the street name. Biko, Mama Adako, I'll get back to you. I need to go and find my daughter. Yo, Mama Adako, Mama Ochiazi, I need to go and find my daughter. I'll call you back. Bye-bye.
Mama, what happened?
I want to go and find my daughter.
I hope all is well, oh.
When I get there, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Because I'm looking for one Ike.
Which of the Ikes?
Are there two of them? Well, the one that is dating my daughter. They told me he lives here.
Madam, I think the Ike you're looking for is in the next compound.
The next compound? Oh, you know him?
It's our friend.
Can I pass through your
pass through the back. Just
oh, thank you.
The other gate,
Okay, thank you.
Let it leave you going to come out first now. She will see you if you go there. She doesn't know you're here first. There's street asking people, just sit down. Let me sit down and let me take you. Just start.
What is it?
What is it? It's my daughter Nene. My daughter Nene, they told me she went to a man's house, Ike's house. I went there. I knocked, then I come, Phyllis here. Only for them to come and tell me that there's no Ike living in that compound. What kind of nonsense is this?
Who told you?
Oh, Mama Dad could have told me now.
Are you sure that she told you the truth?
She told me the truth. Do you want me to call her?
No. You have to go back. Oh.
Go back? Yeah, now calling no kozu and
you have to go back there and check.
Hey! I will go back. Look, I don't understand this. Hey, Nne. I'm seeing come on. What do you call this color?
Wine.
You have to send the woman that did this for you. Because let me go and look for my daughter. I don't understand this.
I'll come and see you later.
Hi!
It's going to be bad. She's here. Please, I don't want to catch me. I wonder how you're in this place because no one has ever seen me come into this compound before.
Madam, it's already past 10. I want to lock this gate.
My daughter is inside the Ike's house. I want to wait for her to come out.
Do I have any business with that? You want to wait for her? Yes. There's no problem. But you will do that outside.
But she's still inside.
Madam, I said you have to do that outside.
Okay, calm down now.
Madam, this place is bad.
If the place is bad, there's no way I can leave my daughter.
Madam, I think Madam, I think
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, madam. Why are you here? My daughter is inside. She's in Ike's apartment.
Ike's house? Hey, whoa. I'm already late. I'm going to church. I would have liked to help you and call her. Okay. Let me go.
Please pay for us.
Okay.
Then he will give you the money to keep. Then some of you will keep the guns. Bring out my daughter! Bring out my... You! Are you not the man without the real color? You showed me. This one that does not have real face. Idiot! I'm sure you're the chief kidnapper. Hey! Chimo! Bring out my daughter! Bring out my daughter! Okay, you jump! Bring out my daughter, or people of this compound. Kidnappers! Kidnappers!
What is your problem?
What do you mean, what is my problem? I can't kidnap my daughter.
Ike?
Yes, I know all of you are part of this. He will kidnap, then he will give you the money to keep.
no other plan now. You want to place it there? Come in front of the house. Let's go. Are you crazy? Wait. What is it? Why are you pushing my baby man? Is that the place you're supposed to push? Oh, I can't.
Help me.
Yeah, sorry.
Come on, please.
Yeah, sorry now. Come and help me now. How you believe your guy like this?
I'm not going anywhere today. I become a bieba. You people like you just come out and look at me as if. I'm a mad woman. I am mad, yes. As long as my daughter is here, I am mad. Everybody come out, though. Hey. Ike, wherever you are, bring out my daughter. Ike, bring out my daughter. Hey. See, don't make me say what I don't know what I'm saying, no.
Madam.
What am I even saying? I don't. You people bring out my daughter.
Madam.
Oh, can you, this man, you're always interrupting me. What is it?
The Ike that you are here ranting, I'm just past you now.
Ebele. Just where? Hey!
Imagine this boy.
Hey!
Yeah, better on the shout.
That boy is there. Now Ike will now go. Don't you need to die? The boy was there for us. This boy. For this she don't even know Ike. No, the boy will know complete snake. For this woman.
I cannot believe it that my own daughter, Nene that I trusted. What are you looking at? You, Nene. So you want to embarrass me? You slept in a man's house. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
That's not what you think.
What is it? What do you expect me to think? In Aruba, what can you say is not what you think? Where did he touch you? Did he? No, okay. Keep running. I don't have energy to run. Mana, when you finish running, you'll come back to the house. Then I will dissect you. Stupid girl. You're not ashamed of yourself. Following man. Woo! Follow me away. Come, let's go. And you behave like that. I can't be like that. Nonsense. Abuna! If you want to follow me, you tell me. I open up a hotel for you. You park in there. One man without money, you're not in the phone. Stupid girl.
I greet you, my people. You are welcome. I thank you for the cola nuts. There is an adage which says, a toad does not run in the afternoon for nothing.
That's exactly the truth. It's okay.
My son Johnson found a ripe fruit in your compound. That is to cut it short. We've come to ask your daughter's hand in marriage, Nene.
You mean Nene, my daughter? Honestly. You have spoken well, Ichie. Huh? So I have to call her. If she asks us to drink, we have to drink.
That is what it takes. And that's why we are here.
Yeah. Mama Nene. Yeah. Mama Nene. Why Mama come? Hey, why Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you. No.
Yeah.
Please call Nene for us.
I will.
Okay. Especially.
Nelson. Let me go down and call her. Yes, she's
outside the gate.
Eh?
I will be back.
Okay.
I'll be back soon.
Be fast, eh?
Fine girl. Good afternoon. Did you see one fair, pretty lady that just walked in? Well, girl. No, I did not see her. Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon. How are you? Did you see any fair girl? Fine girl. Yes, very fair. Did you see anybody? Thank you. For her myself. Oh, good afternoon.
Franca, there's something I have been wanting to talk to you about. It is because I have your brother's interest at heart. Tell him to minimize his affairs with Nele. It will put him in problems.
Thank you so very much. You are indeed a good friend.
Yes. I have been trying to talk to him, but he doesn't listen. You know your brother is very, very stubborn. Please talk to him. As his elder sister, he will listen to you. Okay. I have somewhere to go to. Try and talk to him.
Thank you so much.
right, each and every day and night. Wanna make you feel alright, till the morning light. Girl, I really wanna show you everything I wanna do for you. Take you to a holiday trip, put you in a...
Hey, why did you like this? Nah, I saw one woman hiding behind our house. Your mother.
My mother?
Yes, your mother.
Like I have to...
No, we need to find out what side she's when is she? She left almost immediately I saw her. See, Ike, you have to do something about this thing.
How many times have I told you that this parlor is for visitors? Nobody will ever like. Get out, see lo. I'm not sleeping. See lo. Go and wash those plates in the kitchen. Ezekiel. I'm off here. In a mess with you.
Mama, good evening.
There's no point asking you where you're coming from. Can't you get it? That man that you would see, what plans does he have for you?
Mama, I don't understand.
You don't understand? No, I have water in my mouth. Yeah? I was moving on. The man you've been gallivanting with, sneaking around with, kissing and whatever you people are doing. Is he going to marry you?
It's not in my place to ask a man if he's going to marry me or not. I'm a woman.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. You see, a woman is like a rose flower. When you bloom, you smell nice, you look beautiful, radiant and ekili. But by the evening time, the rose begins to fade. Just like a woman. You put someone everywhere shining. You're beautiful, you're elegant, dressed, all standing. But before you know it, you've got older. No man will have that. Every single one also give so much an aquad, also give money for them. Nonsense. See, look.
Nene, remember what I told you? Don't be afraid, okay? I want to see this your eye and to know his intentions towards you. Okay? You can't come here. Tell him I'm waiting.
Hey, who's that man you came in with?
My elder brother. He came to see you. And I also want to pick up some clothes I like to say.
I don't want to see anybody. I don't want to see anybody, okay?
He's not at home.
He's not at home. Hey! Huh? This is the only opportunity I have to see him before traveling again. Eh?
You still seeing him?
I'll still see him. What is the
What are you really giving to Obianuju? Look at how big you are looking. You really suck your mother's breast.
Tell her.
This girl doesn't let me rest.
Uncle is a lie, you. Nene gives me half chop.
Obianoju. Me, I give you half chop.
Hey.
Is that I give you half?
What's up? Nene, my daughter, I am really proud of you. You remind me of my brother. So, what are your plans?
Uncle, I believe in God though.
You back from there. IK, you know now. IK, see, officer, it's not everything you people will come. See, IK, we have been friends. You know I don't like trouble now. Even when your mother was pregnant, I know her now. You know my mother? No, my mother was pregnant for you. I don't even... See, I'm sorry. See, now. Just forgive me now. Are we not friends?
Listen, I didn't come for you. I didn't come for you. Where's the Nene family?
Just that.
I called them and I'll let you go.
Mama Nene. Mama, see, I know your mother. Mommy Nene. Mama Nene. You guys are if I'm Mama Nene. Mama Nene, come. Good thing is happening. Mama, hey, this is Mama Nene. Who is
Nene?
Mama Nene, where is Nene now? Mama, give me Nene to another family. Where is Nene? Nene, tell me what is the problem? This is Nene. You can go.
Madam, there is a petition against you for undue harassment of this man.
I don't know.
Listen, madam. The next time we see you close to his house, or even 5 meters close to his house, we are going to arrest you and charge you to court. Do you understand?
Perfectly.
Madam, she's your daughter, right? Want her for the last time to stop going to IK's flats.
I can never stop going to IK's house. I love IK and nobody will ever stop me from going to see him. Is this the kind of child I gave birth to? I thought I had a child. I'm not a fool, couple. God, I'm what I'm going to do now. They came to put me.
She should not have what happened to those that not before. I told me and Juliet, they had their story.
She was not even afraid. Wait. No, so we don't try now. Settlement things. Just go back to our checkpoints.
But the job is not too well done. The girl is not even afraid.
I don't say that girl don't get conscience. Okay, thank you. Nice doing business with you.
For your eyes to stay.
No, but I go there to take
okay.
Go for you.
No problem. Okay, I know I'm not supposed to laugh, but it's a very odd question now.
Do you find me attractive?
I mean, of course, any man will find you attractive. I mean, you're packing Arsenal and Manchester at the same time, overload, no? Oh, Messi and Ronaldo together now, playing on the same field.
Thank you.
You're beautiful, huh?
Beautiful enough for you to get married to me.
How did you go from 0 to 100 now? That's going. You know, I don't know anything about marriage to start with. It just, you know, I'm confused at that kind of question. It's something.
Just say yes or no.
You can't answer that kind of question straight like that now. And give me some years to think about it. There are priorities now.
now you've been sitting like this, looking so distraught, getting phone. Will you pick from you? You can talk to me, whatever is disturbing you. I am your mother. See, tell me anything, I will not be angry. I will understand.
I love Ike so much. He's the first man that has shown me love.
You can live without him. God did not bring you into this world. Okay. Besides, identical twins survive from our first wife. You know what you're going through now? A lot of us went through it when we were younger. You fall in love with somebody, you think you will marry the person, but it just doesn't work out. Okay, let me look at. If Ike really wanted you, why did he bring police people here? To warn you against coming close to him? Is that a show of love? Is it? My advice to you is this. Do not marry the man you want to marry. Who does not want to marry you? Rather, marry that woman who wants to marry you. It's painful, but you will get over it. No.
Okay, well done.
Yes.
Please, I need something that will wash down my abdomen.
Eh?
Like, wash it very, very well.
And your abdomen will be clean? You are here. You are here. Final bus stop. Ha! Abdomen cleanser. I have abdomen problem too sometimes, so look at it. Abdomen cleanser. Abdomen cleanser. Oh.
I've been to several places because of this.
This is final bus stop.
Do you even understand the kind of problem?
Just drink it. Once you finish drinking it now, you will be surprised to see your abdomen jumping from one place to another. Drink it. Dr. Wash, be strong. Be strong, eh? You see, when I give my herbs to beautiful ladies, I don't collect money from them. This is for testing. You can go. Bring more customers. Bring more customers for Dr. Wash. If they ask you, tell them Dr. Wash. What do you want? What do you want? Okay. Looking at you, I don't even need to ask more questions. I know you are suffering from tumor. Thunder. Let me. You don't understand that. You the Chris? What bring tumor inside this issue now? What do you want? What do you want now?
See, I want all this thing when you put them body. You understand?
Okay! I now understand. You finish me now. Yes. I didn't say that. That means you are suffering from JD. So that...
Djibouti.
See, I didn't say I expect it. You understand? The beyond is... Okay. From the way you're doing your hand now, that means you need drug for epilepsy. Epilepsy.
Dr. Wash.
Epilepsy?
Get about the charangani on my behalf. Epilepsy. You know, get common sense where they understand something.
What do you want for the last time? What do you want?
They never reach to quarrel. See, you don't know this thing when we say if you from back the door you go sound.
Why are you wasting my time? Yes. Eh?
You forgive me, sign. Let me warn you. Next time when you come here and you need something like that, don't need to talk too much. Don't need to blow much grammar. Just come and show me sign. Pick in aside and I will provide it for you. It is called Kelly. Kelly Mo. See this? You will chew it first. The reason for chewing this is, look at my hand. It will never come down until you want it to come down. Now, you see this? This is Dr. Wash Total Cleanser. Drink it. Your body will clear.
You don't understand what I is. See, I think it's now one girl the family come. Not the family I won't go finish. You don't give me this one to chew. Give me this one to drink. So,
are you coming to teach me my job? It's for one person. One Kelly. For one person. Don't mind your size. Don't worry. After drinking it, you will be surprised. It's going to do a lot of job in your system. You will be surprised to slim down like me. If anybody hits you like you, come on! We can't give up like me. No trial again. Let me have my money. Dr. Wash up. It's supposed to be 500, but for the fact that you are now my customer, give me 300 or have something bigger than that, you can give me 2. Dr. Wash up. As they go ahead, this drop is for.
You said I drank before Chuba. My man. Hey.
Dr. Wash up.
Hey. Taking it.
Yes, I'm taking a trip to Lagos. It's very, very important.
Lagos. That's far. Are you being sorry?
Baby, it's for a business trip. I have to be there to close this deal. Trust me, it's huge. It's all I've been waiting for. It will change everything for me. For us.
It's okay.
About the other day, I've been thinking about it seriously. I just want to
wish not to talk about it.
Wedding invitation. Nene, what have you done?
I always wish to get married to you. But it's too late now.
No, nothing is late. I was thinking about it. You know, I get confused about this kind of thing. Nene, look at me. You're making it. Look at me. Look at me. You're making a mistake. Nene, you don't know this guy.
I'm okay.
But it is your family that's pushing you to do this, Nene. Nene, it's your family. Just wait for me. Okay, let me come back from Lagos. I'll call you. We'll talk about it. Can I come back from Lagos? It's not late. Nothing is late.
It's too late.
Nene.
Spending my money and spending my time, getting no honey and on your side, waiting for you just to make up your mind. You can't say yes and you can't say no. I don't understand why you no one let go. If you know, say you no go follow me. So I'm moving. I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop me cause I'm cruising. Never gonna let you keep on holding me down. Girl, I'm moving. I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop me cause I'm cruising. Never gonna let you keep on holding me down. Gotta keep going.
What did I do this girl now? When she come now? Which kind? Which kind did I do this now? I go take Kelly. He won't go disappoint me. Oh yeah, number one child, Wait, I took this thing well at all. Hey. Listen now, wash, chew.
See this? You will chew it first. The reason for chewing this is, look at my hand. will never come down until you want it to come down. Now, you see this? This is Dr. Wash Total Cleanser. Drink it.
Wash. Chew. Hey!
You're welcome home, my beautiful bride. Listen, let me tell you something. I am the happiest man on earth. Are you okay?
I'm fine, just tired.
Oh, sorry. Listen, my dear. I'm going to make you the most beautiful and happiest bride on earth, my love. Okay? Anything for you, I don't care.
Please, can you take me to my room?
Oh, yes, of course.
Thank you.
Let's go. Go, keep going. That's my love. My love, how are you? Come on. Come on, your countenance is not okay by me. Listen, sweetheart, I want you to understand that we are now married and we are one. And as such, we are meant to share each other's burden in pains, in happiness. So feel free to tell me whatever it is.
How can I ever live without my Ike? Even though we are so far apart, but my love for you can never die. My body might be here, but my soul longs for you. We might be so apart, but my love for you can never die. I love you, Ike. I miss you. Mama, I'm not enjoying my marriage. I'm not in love with Friday. I never loved him, and I'm not going to love him.
You know, love needs love grows. Do you know that when I married your father, I didn't know anything about love. But with time, we became best of friends. I'll never be best of friends with that Friday man. Look at his beard. Is it the hair? It's not you and uncle. There were other offers. I told you to marry the younger man. You went and married your uncle's friend. Or one uncle. But you preferred listening to your father's brother.
It's not true, Mama. You were desperate of me getting married. You were the one that forced me into this marriage. You and uncle.
Anyway, there's no point crying over split milk. Anybody can anybody. What you will now do is, that is Rasta hair. Cut it. You know, you can actually tell him in the night that you are dreaming. You will see something in your dream, patch up here, cut the hair. And then that's one here. You can die for him. That way you will look younger.
Yes, I told you already. Okay, there will be so many parties when you come back. Okay, alright, keep updated.
Hey, you are sweet. I went to the electronic section, I did not see.
I was out here taking a call.
From who?
It's business, it's personal. So what can I do for you? What are you looking for me?
It's about what we discussed last night. The 250,000.
Babe, I gave you 500,000 just 3 days ago. You spent all that?
Come on, babe.
You know women affairs.
Okay. Let's go downstairs to the office downstairs. I'll transfer 250 to your account.
I couldn't not pick it.
What is your cycle will work now?
Don't worry, when you come home, I'm gonna make something special for you.
That's what you promised the other time. Let's go, baby.
Osurukeme, she's beautiful. And she comes from a very good home. Eh?
Mama, it doesn't work like that. I need to spend time around her. I need to understand the kind of woman she is. This is not a short way. It's the issue of life. I need to be careful who I will spend the rest of my life with.
I know. But if you keep quiet, people might snatch her away from you.
I have been saying this again and again that there is no competition in destiny. If you bunkem, unwe onye ga-anapụ m ya.
Get epic results from Cameroon. We had it the last time, so read more. You do the continue. Okay, that's fine. As soon as you start, contact them. Tell me so I can start the paperwork. Okay? Okay, no problem. Proceed. Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's up?
Sadiq just arrived from Korea.
Okay. Thank you. You can go now. Thank you. Sylvia, baby. Never seem to amaze you.
Mama told me a whole lot about you, and I am solidly on her path. So it is left for you to prove to my brother that you have all it takes to be a good wife.
Auntie, I love Ike with all my heart. I love him with everything in me. I'm willing to show him an everlasting love. I promise.
Well, that's nice. I quite appreciate that. Thank you so much. But if you have any challenge, do not hesitate to give me a call.
Wait, man.
What are you doing here?
Wait. I'm looking to see if I could wash clothes for Mr. Okosi.
As his personal dry cleaner. Now leave this place before I tear you to pieces. Leave! Before I kill you, idiots. Fool. Let me get you this house.
It's okay. You don't need to stand there and be doing. I don't know what I can't tell. I don't know there. It's just that I couldn't come to rescue because I forgot my power in the village.
Please, just open the gate, let me pass.
The gate? That is my work and I will open it for you. Go. Hey! How would they slap someone and it's affecting me?
Moving, I've just got to get rolling. Don't stop me, cause I'm cruising.
Excuse me, are you not Nene? It is you now, look at her face. Nene, it's you. Hey, you don't remember me again?
I don't like.
Have you forgotten me? Dr. Wash now, that used to live in Ike's compound then. Dr. Wash let him work on a papa like this on Sagi. I hope you're not okay. You know your star? Yes, I still remember.
Have you heard from Ike?
Yes, so Ike. Ike is now the biggest boy in town. Do you know that Ike just opened his window? Do you know that Ike drives the latest car in town? I got about the cash.
I've always known that Ike is hardworking. I'm so happy for him. Thank you.
Likewise me.
So, thank you. Do you have his contact?
Yes, I do. I have his contact. But it's in my other phone that I lost. But I have it, but I just lost the phone.
Nice to see you.
You are finally happy after all those days of jumping fence or dodging inside the flower, trying to mingle through gutters and all that. Hey! You look so beautiful. Is this your stop of that?
Girl, I'm moving. I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop.
Hey, baby.
It's ready.
Girls. As you can see, girls, I have one of the biggest boys in town as your boyfriend.
I can see it, girl. Come on, Sylvia. You're such a lucky girl. Come on, girl. Give me 5.
You know, my bobo does not only have this office room. He has where he showcases furniture, you know, like table, chairs. When I'm talking about tables, I mean foreign tables, like glass tables. You can name them, you know.
Hey, how much is this? Wow, this is expensive, you know?
Yeah.
Can you take us to the furniture department?
Sure, why not? Follow me, girls.
It's my life and I am living it. It's my world, I am loving it. Loving it. Baby, if you show me true love, now you go in my heart. It's my life and I am living it. It's my world, I am loving it. Loving it. Baby, if you show me true love, now you go in my heart.
When I wake up in the morning, all I get to do is pray. For Baba God to send me someone so beautiful. When go come into my life.
Wow. Ike, listen. You guys look good like this. You need to match the other like this. I can't wait to let you see. Perfect love thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll drop you guys off on the way. Me and my sweetheart we're going somewhere.
Girl, I'm moving. I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop me cause I'm cruising. Girl, I'm moving.
Hurry up. I'm very hungry here. Hey. Mama, I was thinking, what if Mr. Ike didn't come to our rescue concerning that enormous hospital bill? My daughter, God is at work and I know he designed that. When I heard about the hospital bill I was supposed to pay, hey, my heart skipped. The next thing on my mind was to die. God forbid. Fear. Mama, please don't say that again. God forbid. The good man, out of the blue, walked in and asked me to go home. Hey? It's like something is burning. Can you perceive? Mama, that's my food.
Take it easy, Take it easy, big girl.
What's up? I beg, what thing happened? Do you believe I saw that confused bitch saying it today?
And what's so special about seeing that one again?
I saw her with your man, Ike. They both entered his Visa and drove to a hotel.
Stop, I don't hear you again. You say?
I said they both entered his Visa and drove to a hotel.
If now joke, stop am. Stop it, it's too expensive, I beg. Just stop this joke. I don't like her.
Wait. Cindy! How is that possible? Hope you are not making this up. Do you know I even saw them kissing like pigeons? They were all over themselves. Hey, if you like, Sylvia, sit down there. Let that girl grab your man. You don't say I did not tell you. I have spoken, I've told you my mind. You better do something very fast. By then, if you were there, you can't stand it. Hey, if you were there, you can't stand it. Hey, we have to deal with it.
You don't tell no one here again.
Who be that? Why you want to bring down this gate? You know how much my guy used to put this gate. What is the worry? Who you be? What did they put about this money? This is house. Even my guy, you don't think call him where? Is it Mr. Mr. Oko's house? Yes. What do you want? Thanking. Now, can you tell me why you are thanking God?
My mom sent me to see Mr.
Your mom? Okay. Stay here.
Stay here. If you move, I move you. Like I go tell my Oga. Don't move. Don't move. Go.
Okoro, do you have a problem?
Not at all. Not at all. Just that there's a girl out there. She said her mother sent her to you. Do I ask her to go? Okay. 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 You move. Go.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear. Okoro says your mom sent you. I can't really recall who your mom is.
Yes, sir. You paid up her hospital bill. She said she won't have peace except I come give you these items. She would have been here herself, but she's still resting and taking her medications.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I think it's now I recall you. You have similar features. I can see some of her features on you. Well, tell her thank you. It's really no big deal, okay?
Thank you, sir. In fact, it takes a man with fear of God to help another in need. I wish I can reciprocate, like cook for you. I mean it, sir. I cook vegetable soup well. I will make you a meal you won't forget.
Well, and here, I really appreciate the gesture, but I have a cook here. He cooks very well. That's what he gets paid for. I think your mom, don't let her belabor herself over a small gesture. It's really no big deal. I don't mean to be rude. Do you want to come in for a cup of coffee or maybe breakfast?
No, sir. I think I'll be on my way.
Okay. No wahala. Give me a minute, eh? Okay. Take her, be your mom.
Oh, thank you, sir. Even though I feel guilty, you are intelligently paying for the food items my mom sent to you.
No, you're intelligently reading meanings into it. It's no big deal, okay?
Alright, sir. Bye, sir.
I regard your mom.
Sylvia, you called me here. Still what? How dare you lay your filthy hands on my man? Oh, today I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Really? Oh. Oh, I see.
Welcome, welcome. Hey.
I've been meaning to ask you.
Oh, okay.
Do you think your Oga loves me from his heart?
I don't know where we can. As you can see, I am not in his heart.
Moreover, I don't even know how the heart of a rich man looks like. If you know Okoro very well, you will know that I am poor. And I equally have the heart of a poor man. But let me ask you. Why do you ask?
Well, I mean, he's into a lot of women. And I don't think he loves me for real.
Ah. I see. Okay, let me ask you. If Mayoga becomes poor today, will you still love him?
Me? Love a poor man? Okoro, take a good look at me.
Aha. Aha. Hey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Is this what Mayoga has been enjoying? Huh? Hey! Okoro, you are just useless standing on this gate. You're useless. Huh? Hey! Look at what Mayoga is enjoying. Huh? Okoro? Huh? Okay, look at what he's enjoying. What am I doing here? Hey! Huh?
You have grilled chicken.
Yes, sir. Sir, is that what you want?
Yes.
What are you doing? Ma, have you made your choice? I'm just doing my job.
Do your job and leave my man alone.
What did you hit the girl for? She was just doing her job.
I guess you enjoy the girl groping at you.
Groping? Do you even know what that word means?
Whether you like it or not, you are mine and mine alone. Please, let's leave here. I said let's go!
Moving, I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop me cause I'm cruising. Never gonna let you keep on holding me down.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Listen, all these girls running around you, they are rich, sexy and hot. What are you waiting for? I think you should use this opportunity and grab enough money from them and come up with one excuse and dump them.
Come on, Jerry. You know I'm not about that life. You know, look around you. I'm blessed already. You know, it's really not about that. I'm just trying to be careful. I don't want to commit anybody to anything I'm not ready for. You think this thing's for free? You think it's for free? Remember that babe now in Papa, the one that bought me the facade? See how she dragged us around that time? Someone free, they either want marriage or they want commitment. I'm not ready.
And that lady, my God, that was when you're still in the street. Then you were playing around, you know.
Yeah, but the principle is the same. I don't want problem. I treat them maturely now. We come, we have fun, everybody moves on. Simple.
Don't you think of getting married or being a playboy for life?
Marriage is in sight somehow. This decision would have been easier when I had nothing. With this, I don't know who loves me now for me. I'm just trying to be careful one day at a time.
You're right.
Stop laughing now.
My God. The obvious gift is the one after your heart. Man, that girl is beautiful and sexy. Why not you just date? Let's go and see her parents.
Are you the one getting married?
You know what, Mugas?
Let me get you. No, come on. I don't work like that. Beauty is not enough. You can get married. Take it one step at a time.
The game person is beautiful. What have some my phone was and go like me.
Happy. Oh, that deep account, but I chunk a crude. Happy. Yeah.
my God, my Father, the King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Father, when you say yes, no one can say no. And when you say no, no one can say yes. Jehovah Nissi, I bring before you this relationship I have with your daughter. If this girl that is with me, Lord, oh God, is meant to be my wife, Father Almighty, may everything work according to your plan. If she's not meant to be my wife, Father Almighty, may it also work according to your plan. Even as we're going to go and see her parents, so that we'll ask her hand in marriage, may I experience a terrible accident. May my right hand cut off. I'm telling you, Lord, oh God, I'm praying this prayer with my mind. Father Almighty, may nothing happen to her before this time praying bad prayer for anybody's daughter. So at the end of the day, Lord, oh God, you'll be glorified. Because I would prefer a terrible accident than end up with the wrong woman.
What is this now?
In Jesus' name.
What kind of prayer is this?
Amen.
How could you be asking God to send accident? I mean, what is this? What's the problem? It's not right.
Come, prayer is prayer. You hear me? Prayer is prayer. Except there's something judging your conscience there. That's between you and your God.
No, honey, you don't understand. I mean, it's not right to pray like that, okay?
Babe. Someone is at the door. Probably in the room.
Yeah.
Okay, please check. So I'll finish off here.
Alright.
So this girl has been the one stealing from me.
What is that?
How are you?
Good weekend.
Thank you, Amen.
Hasn't come down your plans for today?
Our plans are still the same now. No, I just had a lazy morning.
You not rest up.
But I've taken my bath just for us to get a move on, you know. But let me.
Ike, are you okay? Ike.
Eh?
What's up?
No problem. Guy, listen. I don't get this trip of yours.
I hope all is well.
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Please trust me. And just, I'll call you later. Oh?
Okay.
Bigo, I'll call you later. But just give me some time. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is the money you stole from my suite. I actually added more, for your transport and for whatever reason you are stealing from me for. I don't understand why you have to steal when you could ask me and I'll give you. So tell your parents I'll come to see them soon. If you don't see me in 2 weeks, please, any man that proposes to you, go with him.
This is over. Take the money.
I'm sorry, I beg you.
I know you are.
Please forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please, I beg you. Please, I'm sorry.
You have kleptomania. Go and handle your problem. You need spiritual help or you need a psychologist that can help you.
Please, I beg you.
I know.
It's not going to happen again.
You're a good
I
person.
promise.
I can't deal with someone that steals. Sorry.
Please, I beg you. Please, open the door. Open up, please. Open up. Please, open. Oh God!
My man, there is no need giving you this one. I have the one I know you will like. Hey! You see this one? This one is for those who have very small of these. You understand me? So once you take this, hey! Pampalo, problem I didn't know local. Are you seeing it? Once you drink it, piam! Enlargement. Hey, Dr. Wash, you see this one? This is the original Original. If your wife is not feeling comfortable with you, we call it Onyike Mbana to Anyike. Eh? Onyike Mbana to Anyike. So which one do you want? Onyike Mbana to Anyike. Okwombo nwoke na di ike. O mere nwanyị ya atọ na di. Ele nke ịchọ. Ị chọhụ o mere nwanyị atọ na di. Onye ike mgbe ike na-adịghị. Dr. Wash abịakwala n'ọzọ ele ebe i butere ya? Ka i butere ya na toilet? Ka i butere ya na bedde? I butere ya n'ime ụlọ ụka? Ebe ọwụla i butere ya o Dr. Wash abịakwala n'ọzọ Dr. Wash abịakwala.
Before my Crystal Jennifer, Angelina and Yinka, Rosie and Kelechi, Joy, Cindy, Caroline. Come make I choose who be my wife. Let the winds of destiny come take me away. Let someone.
No, babe. That's not fair. You go start the party without me.
This party is when you return to Nigeria to be a bomb, I promise you. And I'll tell you.
I'm excited too. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, get some sleep, alright? Safe flight. Don't miss your flight. Alright, bye.
Wow! Hey, baby!
Yeah.
Wow, I miss it too. Wow.
You like it?
Hey, this is quite big.
Oh, it extends all the way down there.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
How have you been?
I've been fine. Hey, where are your things?
It's inside. Sorry, can I have my things? Yeah. Oh, babe, you look good, you know?
Madam, tell me now. Never tell me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I was scared you. No, babe, don't worry. No, I got this.
Huh? Thank you. Thank you, sir.
My kids are in the boat.
No problem.
Should be good.
You like it?
Yes, I mean.
Okay, let me show you inside. Okoro, bring the things inside.
Well, this way.
Left or right?
Okay, babe, left for cruise. Okay. Let's step down. Or step down.
Where are we going?
Babe, come on, keep going. This time we difference. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Just stand. Close your eyes.
Eyes are closed. Where did he take me to?
Okay. Are you sure it's closed? Open your eyes. I got a new car for you.
You got a car?
You don't like it?
Why would you go to all that trouble now?
I mean, I just got you a car with a new mansion. It makes sense.
Hey, look around you. I have too many cars already. You don't need to buy me another one. It is a waste of... Let's do a deal.
Okay.
Use this car for your purpose all through your stay in Nigeria.
Okay.
And then when you leave, I can have it.
Deal. I mean, it sounds better.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Who is that? Where I go?
Girl, I'm moving. I've just got to keep rolling. Don't stop me cause I'm cruising.
Huh?
My babe.
Baby.
I mean your oga.
Oh! Nega Mola. But I got the inside.
Thank you, Obi.
Don't mention. No. Can I live on Ugu? Can I go Ugu? A elephant was one number.
Hey, babe.
How did we get in here?
Why are you sounding as if you're not happy to see me?
No, I'm not. You just disappeared into thin air. No calls, no text messages. I think you can appear and everything is fine.
I'm sorry, I've been busy.
We're all busy. But that doesn't give you a right to walk into my house and tell me lie.
Come on, babe. This is my boyfriend's house, so I can visit anytime I feel like.
Well, this is your boyfriend.
Hey, babe. And who's this girl?
Who is this bitch?
Sorry, do you mind rephrasing? What did you just call me?
I called you a bitch.
Who is that? Hold on. Good afternoon.
Is your Oga in?
My Oga. He's inside.
So, can I see him?
You're free. Go. Go, see. Why must you come at this point? So this your lovely face will be disfigured? Well, it's better I go wear my helmet before bomb will explode.
Wow. Ike, who is this thing?
I think all of you should just calm down. See what we're going to do. We're all going to sit down, get a bottle of whiskey, and then we'll discuss this.
Hey, please! Don't teach me manners! You cheat! So this is what you've been doing behind me, right?
Listen.
Hey.
How are you?
Wait. Who am I seeing? You go, Dikeh! You!
What is wrong with you?
Blable. I must see this to the end. No. Make I go book it for you.
You did.
You know what? Step back. Okay? This has to end here right now. This is my house. None of you build my house for me. Neither am I married to both of you. Get out of my house.
Yes, get out, bitch.
You shut up.
Get out. Swear to God, you will regret it. Get out. Get out, bitch. And I'll beg of you. Bitch.
You two leave. I want to be alone. I said leave. I want to be alone.
Fine.
You are very, very lucky to come back alive and with your head intact. Ike, he looks so caged. Those ladies, they look like they would devour him before I interrupted. Hey! Now that the tempo is very, very high, I think the best thing you would do for yourself is to pipe low. Eh? Mama, pipe low. Please, before they will kill you for me, oh. Eh? You know you are my only daughter. I don't want anything to happen to you. Pico, please, now that you are back, come, let us go inside. I want you to come and cook for me. Pico, Hi.
Okoro, my friend, you know how much I love Ike. I don't want to lose him to any of these prostitutes. Yes. I want you to keep watch for me.
Madam, what exactly do you want from Okoro, the chief security officer of this very compound? What do you want? Tell me.
Okoro, I want to be the madam of this very house. In fact, I want to be the wife of Ike, legally.
Madam, let me tell you. Do you know that you are aiming high? You are aiming very, very high. Do you know what it means? It means you have to come up with more money. Cash. Bala mobala. You wanna go?
Girl, that's not a problem. Cindy is very capable of doing something extraordinary. In fact, I am very ready to set you up as soon as Ike marries me.
Madam, you must have to do something first.
Anyway.
Yeah, madam. You wanna go?
Just hold on. Let me tell you what I mean. You know, action speaks. Okoro, my friend.
Bala mobala.
In fact, stay. All you just need to do is keep watch for me.
You have no problem.
At all.
Now stay back and watch Okoro in action.
Okoro. Okoro, my man.
I will not only be your eyes.
My eyes.
I will equally be your nose. Watch me perform for you.
Okay, darling.
Watch Okoro perform for you. Hey. Good now.
Okoro Bobo, how are you?
Madam, make I tell you the truth, Before Okoro Bobo, no define. But now when you say I don't see you, I know say I go define. I trust you.
I know your problem. Let me take this.
Okay. Madam, the madam.
Lucky you. Take.
Thank you, madam. God bless you. God bless you. I know fear. If we're God, there go. When I go there, go kill on ourselves. I just should say none of you like my Oga. All you are after is his money. Kill yourselves in there. Why am I even bothering myself after Oga no day?
Mommy, it is not that easy. To tell the truth, there are so many wealthy young men in the city. Really wealthy. And yet they are not married. They're still single because they know what's out there. It's not easy to find a wife.
Okay, stop telling me that. Don't give me that because see, your own situation is different from their own.
How?
You're asking me how? They may have 3, 4, 5 sons in their family, but you are just one and only, my only eye. So it's not the same.
But that's not enough reason to jump into it just like that. I honestly has to exercise a great degree of caution. I can't just jump in because I'm successful. It's not enough. Your era is over, Mommy. I'm telling you, the era of great women is over. What they have now are people that, all these girls, all they want, they're looking for men that will pay their bills and then enough money to go to Dubai and be slave queens. That's all they want. They just want to look good on Instagram. No.
What I am saying is that it is good to get married early so that you'll be growing up with your children.
I'm still growing. I'm overgrown now.
I know.
Okay, Bobby, what about all the grandchildren, Franca and the rest of my sisters I've been giving you?
Ike, those grandchildren are not for me here in the family. They are for another family. I need grandchildren for our family. That is what I need.
Okay, Mommy, let's switch it truths. I will do everything in my power. I'm telling you, I'll focus on it. This year it must happen. But I don't want you to rush me. Don't pressurize me. It will not happen overnight. It's not a walk in the park. I don't want a slave queen. But I'll work hard on it.
You have to. You have to. The earlier you do it, the better. Go and get yourself a wife.
Mommy, give me food.
So that I'll have grandchildren.
Mommy, give me food. I'm hungry.
I have it. I have the food.
No, don't bring the food, Mommy. You need this matter. It's done already. That's me, Mommy.
Hey,
Mommy.
Who told you how to cook like this? I know that I want. That's nice.
Hi, she. She's fine. That's nice. You know, Ike has told me everything. He's my brother, and I like to stay off his path. Because I don't want all these big babies I see around here to break my head.
Anyashi, stay out of this thing.
I will invite you again. Let me see what I look.
She's upstairs taking a bath for the 5th time.
Go ahead.
Thinking about the weather. Wait a second. It's too hot.
Hey! Even with the air conditioner.
Well, sometimes I wonder if it's the same America goes to business. Yeah, all American different.
Hey! What the web war?
Thank you, dear. That was lovely. Say out to your mom.
Thanks. Let me rest a bit.
Alright, I start going to your house, carry you on double penny.
The food is sumptuous.
You will have to check with your American.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, boy.
Hey! This thing like you, it's like you're coming from another world. Hey, big boy, I did not change.
Yeah. I hear you're married now. Where's your wife?
She went to
Wait, draft now. You see the river draft? I just drive high and say today, look, I can't see my family. Where Lloyd? Where Lloyd?
I don't see the sleep now in the house.
Hey!
The high, yeah. I want to get where the high.
Wait, let me Listen, next time everybody they want to see the hear this. Come on! Where have you been now? Well, I just get around. I was in China, Singapore, Milan, and London. Well, where you know that building, the one they are building, the new one in.
I know.
I bought it, and I changed it to my furniture and electronic shop. So we're setting up the boutique now. You know I like clothes. So it's going to be one in town, the biggest boutique.
You know, say me are the sell cosmetics now. Okay. You don't come. Now to go now, you remain.
Oh, you're my family. You're my brothers. I came prepared today. I just think of them as saying, make her come. To start, we need to plan how we go come out here. You know, I don't like how on a day here. So let's.
God bless you.
You know Honda, please?
Yes, in a Honda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I called the manager early this morning. We've already paid them, so there's no problem. Please go there and collect one brand new Honda.
What?
Yeah.
Hey!
Any color.
So when you go there, just pick up.
Blue or black? Blue or black? New professor, blue or black? Even if you need red,
Huh?
2 million! Ike, 2 million! It's like a dream, oh, Ike. You know the camera.
I go take her back. My account officer's name is Tracy, so anytime you go to
Hey! 2 million! Hey! 2 million!
So if you're ready, let's go to Honda place, you pick up your card.
Hey!
And then I have a meeting I have to do.
I can make it.
No, I'm going to the meeting with you. I'm going to the meeting with you.
2 million!
My own not really good.
2 million!
3 million, but don't worry.
Siblings are 200,000.
I'll introduce you to the manager to pick up the car.
Okay, tomorrow.
Get you. That's lovely to see you.
Wow, look at you. Look beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, look at you.
How are you doing?
So, we're here shopping.
Yes, about to come. You have a special place in my heart. Because of that, I'm going to name this baby. I will name my Ikeju.
It's as sweet as ever. Okay. Darling.
Yeah.
Please come back. Ebele is a special friend of mine, okay? Anytime she comes here, give everything she wants free. Even now, anything she wants, okay? Thank you.
You own this place?
It's one of my few businesses.
Oh my goodness, thank you, love.
And anytime this gorgeous one drops, call me. I'll send you something amazing.
Theo did not tell us Dikeh has a gang.
So let's go back and reinforce them.
No! No! Hey! I'm not going to go! I'm not going to go! Hey! What is going on? What did I do?
What did I do? What did I do?
I've been framed.
So you this beautiful girl, you're into business of robbery, right?
Eh? Me? God forbid. Fuck, I swear.
Shut up your mouth, my friend!
What did you guys do? Nigga, do I know you? Tell them the truth now. See, I don't jam this guy for gate. You say you won't talk to me.
I will slap blood enter your eyes. Keep quiet! Keep quiet there.
Nigga, don't, I don't know you.
Hey, come on, move it.
Go on. Hey, Oga,
So you're one of Ike's accomplices?
Ike? Who is Ike?
The criminal that owns this house.
Sir? I don't know who is...
Shut up your mouth! Why are you calling Okoro? Who is Okoro?
Sir? Is this not number 13 Okoro Street? Somebody directed me to number 13 Okoro Street. That's why I'm here.
Come on, out! Come on! Move!
Thank you.
You remember that street you told me your what's that his name again? Ike, your Ike stays.
What happened?
And you also remember that you told me that he stays in the biggest house in that area, right? There was a shootout there. A terrible shootout.
Hey, whoa. Ike is in trouble. Ike is in trouble. God, this can't be.
Listen, Caro, Ma, this one you people are standing outside. I hope there is no problem.
There's no problem. We're just having a friendly gist.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. said, let me go and tell the truth. Are you sure of what you just said? Can I be lying to you? I'm very sure. Do you know that his line has not been going through? I've been trying to reach him throughout today. I have to go in and call his sister, Aunt Franca, now. Okay.
Who be that? Who be that?
Okoro! Where is Ike? Isn't that woman I'm talking to? Where is Ike?
Hey, wait now. Eh? Mind I talk to you, you come and them. If you're calling my come and with respect. You just open mouth. Where is Ike? Where is Ike? Standing before me to call him by his name. Are you okay? Well, nevertheless, my Oga, they arrest him. My Oga is in the cell. Not be idea. Police people came here. They arrested my Oga for drug trafficking. Thank you, drug trafficking and robbery. Who be that?
You guys are acting as accomplices.
No, I don't know.
Go down.
I don't know him before. I've not seen him before. Don't know him.
Silence is golden. Shut up!
I don't know, sir.
Everybody, outside! Outside!
Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
Outside!
Okay. Go now.
Outside!
So you're not denying me? Okay, you don't know my God.
For the last time, what is the relationship between you girls and this criminal here?
I'm telling you to your face that we were arrested in error. We don't know this man.
Is that true?
Yes.
What were you doing in his compound?
It's simple. We were traveling. I became pressed. The only available means was his place. Then I pulled over to ease myself. Maybe you should put a call to your woman and ask her how she feels whenever she's pressed. Exactly. Then you understand my situation.
We don't know him. We don't know him before. We've not met him before.
I see. Officer, you can leave them. Something must be wrong somewhere. Go. You can go. Go.
Thank you, sir.
Go. Take this criminal inside, please. Inside. Officer, bring him out.
Inspector, I don't understand why you've been harassing me like this. By the way, who gave you my phone number and home address?
Well, this criminal here gave me your number and address as one of his girlfriends.
Me? To Fiakwa, God forbid. I don't know him.
You mean you are denying him?
I don't know him, and I don't associate myself with criminals. Inspector, before I say anything further, I'd like to speak with my lawyer. I'm a legitimate citizen of this country, and I know my rights.
It's okay. Ike, why are you bent on deceiving police officers on duty?
Listen, don't be angry, but the news is everywhere. What news? That Ike is a criminal and a drug dealer. And you had the courage to go and visit him at the police station. Listen, what are you up to?
Now listen, I went to the station and he told me he's innocent. Remember, he was the one that paid up my mom's hospital bill. Now that he's in trouble, he needs me around. I can't run away from him like other girls. I have to share in his pains.
You're not okay. You know you're my friend. What are you up to? Please tell me. I don't want you to implicate yourself. Check out the headlines. Ike, the criminal. Listen, don't implicate yourself.
Please come off this. Haven't you heard that a friend in need is a friend indeed? And that's exactly what I'm trying to demonstrate. So stop this rubbish you're telling me. Let's go. Let's leave this place. What's wrong with you?
Hey! Listen. Blessing.
Listen, something is wrong with your head.
You must test this food for my face. Since luck ran out of that criminal, you've been the one bringing food for him. Who are you to him?
My name is Blessing. Ikechukwu is my boyfriend. Besides, he's into electronics and not a criminal.
Are you telling me to my face that that criminal that arrested by orders of the DPO is innocent? Do you want to teach me my job?
Yes, Inspector. I know my brother can never involve himself with anything so degrading as armed robbery and drug dealing.
Officer, I still maintain that there is a mix-up somewhere we must deal with. Because the Ikechukwu I know is not a criminal and can never be.
If Ike is found guilty, read my lips, you will suffer.
Officer, I'm ready to die with Ike. He's innocent. He's a good man.
Well, talking too much will not solve this problem. I need to hear from the DPO first. Taste that food right now. Wait here. Let me get Ike going.
Don't worry. Auntie Franca and I are working hard to ensure that you are included there, okay?
I know you're worried. Don't worry. How's your mom?
She's fine. Ikechukwu, I'll stand by you. Tell me the truth. Did you do it?
I think I'm being settled by someone very smart. But don't worry. Just tell Franca to keep trying to reach the DPO. As soon as she reaches him, everything will be fine,
Okay. I hope you're enjoying your meal.
okay? You're the best cook in the world. Clap for her before the program.
That was how my brother Ikechukwu continued struggling until one day. Ike was invited by Mr. Bruce, a white man, a distributor and a representative of Flynova Company, which Ike patronizes on a daily basis. He made Ike, my brother, a distributor and also introduced him to his younger brother, who owns Dikeh and Nuclear Company. From there, Ike started distributing French movies and electronics, and God blessed him. Ike has started doing well in business, even before the 419ers were exposed. Inspector, if you doubt me, go to our hometown. Ask our king King Ezin Doremo. He will tell you more. Even at 18 years, my brother had attracted notable titles for himself. Name them Chimiriko, Okosisi, and to crown them all, I could not pick him by my village people.
Wonderful story. But let me tell you, this you are saying can never exonerate your brother from the criminal charge. He's not innocent of the charge. And let me again tell you this when I am for you to hear well. I care your brother, as you claimed, and you call him Akuna Pikin. That title you said he obtained can be gotten anywhere. The churches, for example, you give titles like Eriwa, that of Karagas. And of course, all these titles can be bought with money. Simple. And the churches don't care how you make their money, whether you're a criminal or not. It all boils down that those things can be bought with money. So with money, every title is possible. So, madam, don't intimidate me that I could not want, I could not begin, this and that. These are not criminals are obtaining those things these days.
I'm happy you said these days. I mean those days in Beluwa Losa, when men of God like Reverend Fathers and Pastors go about with their collars as if it was their trademark. When a woman, mothers, can freely send their daughters to men of God house without panicking. That is when I'm talking.
When I'm gone, I'm busy here. Whatever I am saying here, whatever I want to say here, cannot make me to please your mother. I report to that. So please, if you can, understand me. Leave now.
Inspector, I am not leaving your office. Inspector, be prepared to fight the pregnant woman. I will be here until justice is done. Ha! Yes.
Oh, correct, sir. Yes, sir. Sir? Noted, sir. Noted, sir. Noted, sir. Right away, sir. I'll be right away. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Officer! Get Mr. I. Fast! Uncuff him. Excellent. Sponsor. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. Yes, Ike.
Thank you very much.
I'm very, very sorry. I didn't know that you had an arrangement with DPO. I didn't know. DPO did not tell me.
What arrangement?
Well, you see, Ike is the architect of his own arrest. He arranged his arrest with DPO.
Mom, I'm really, really sorry from the bottom of my heart. Sister, I'm sorry. It's just at the height of my confusion with all these women around me. I needed to know who really loved me for me and not with ulterior motives. So I reached out to my friend, the DPO, and I asked him to order my arrest so that in my times of trouble, I will know who would stand by me and who was going to deny me. And obviously, it happened.
Ikechukwu, that was wrong. That was really wrong, considering the risk involved in it. Assuming you died in the process, what would have been my fate? And now, what you should have done is keep praying to God to show you who your real wife is. Hey! Namu.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. Sister, I just had to do it. It was a desperate time. Mama, the last time we prayed together, what happened? Gift showed up and stole my money.
Gift stole your money. But that was God's revelation. God showed us that Gift was not your real wife. You are supposed to pray and fast. And please, my son, cease from all this alcoholism and this little immorality. And God will hear us. There is nothing we can ever do without God. That is a lesson for everyone.
Well, that's a good lesson. Ike, DPO called me a few minutes ago and told me the details of what you agreed with him. So on behalf of the DPO and Nigerian Police Force, we apologize for this. And of course, you achieved your aim. Of the 5 girls you gave me, one of them stood by you. She didn't deny you, and that one here. So you're not having a wife. Congratulations.
I knew that my brother is innocent.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's not easy for someone to be in the business for over 10 years without a bad record. I couldn't know. Ecosystem.
Sister for life.
Hey! I couldn't have picked. Oh, wait, hey,
sister, let's go home and celebrate.
Yes,
don't worry. Bye.
I look in your eyes, girl, I can see you're meant to be the one. And after all we've been through, no one can do the things you do for me. Heaven just sent you my way. I'm never gonna let you go, no way. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to keep you with me. And no matter what they do or say, baby, I'm gonna beg you to stay. I wanna give all of my love to you. I will love you for real, for the rest of my life. Baby, I will love you for real, for the rest of my life, baby. Baby girl, come let me hold you, squeeze and kiss you, do all the things that I told you, spend all my time with you, each night and day, for the rest of my life. Heaven just sent you my way. I'm never gonna let you go, no way. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to keep you with me. And no matter what they do or say, baby, I'm gonna beg you to stay. I wanna give all of my love to you. I will love you for real, for the rest of my life.